Literal na home away from home. Gusto mo rin bang magstay dito? Hi, this is Em, and a few weeks ago, we were out and about to experience this beautiful staycation, and let me give you a quick tour. Pagpasok pa lang, mapapansin mo na agad kung gaano ka modern at high-tech ng place. Ito ang unang bubungad sa'yo, ang kanilang living room. Ang aesthetic, diba? From the cozy sofa, warm lighting, spacious layout, hanggang sa malaking TV, talagang perfect for movie nights. Yes, may wifi rin sila dito, kaya pwede kayo mag-Netflix, mag-karaoke, or pwede rin kayo mag-board games at cards kasama ang family and friends. Next, let's head to their dining area. May long dining table sila that's perfect for big groups because this staycation can accommodate up to 10 guests. Yes, meron din silang mini bar area here, perfect for wine nights, late night kwentuhan, or simply hanging out after a long day. By the way, they also have an in-house menu through their partner kitchen. Isisend ito ni host before you stay, so kung ayaw nyo na magluto, pwede na kayo mag-pre-order. To, pagdating namin, kakarating lang rin ng food. So here, meron tayong beef steak, crispy kare-kare, at daing na bangus. Of course, may rice. Plus, may complimentary dessert pa from the host. Thank you so much po. One thing I found really cute, they also have an honesty store. If suddenly mag-crave kayo ng snacks and drinks, meron silang available dito. Pwede kayo magbayad sa GCash, just ask the host for the payment details. Okay, now let's check out their modern kitchen. Complete na sila with cookware, plates, utensils, glasses, refrigerator, and kettle. So whether you want to prepare a full meal or just make coffee, everything you need is already here. On the other side naman, you'll find their powder room. Smaller siya compared to their main bathroom, but it's still clean, modern, and very aesthetic. Now for my favorite part, the master bedroom. Ito talaga yung pinaka-inabangan ko even before our stay. Nakita ko palang online, feeling ko sobrang cozy na niya. And thankfully, hindi ako nag-amali. Mas maganda pa siya sa personal. Sobrang comfortable ng bed at ang sarap talaga ng tulog namin. Plus, may mood lighting pa that makes the room feel extra relaxing. And here's the best part. Inside the master bedroom, andun yung bathroom nila. Of course, with their very own private jacuzzi. This was actually our first staycation feature with a private jacuzzi, kaya sobrang na-excite talaga kami. Ang linis, ang ganda, at ang relaxing ng buong space. Okay, aside from the master bedroom, they also have 2 more bedrooms, so there's plenty of space if you're staying with family or friends. At kung hindi pa enough yung jacuzzi, may outdoor swimming pool din sila. Sadly, hindi na kami nakapag-swimming kasi late na kaming nagising the next morning, but hopefully, sa next visit namin, matry na rin namin. Overall, I would say we genuinely enjoyed our stay here at the Lux Hideaway. They are located pala here sa 203 Pasadena Street, San Juan City, Metro Manila. I really love the modern interiors talaga. It's paired with its warm and cozy ambience. Every corner feels thoughtfully designed, making it perfect if you love aesthetic spaces. And check-in time nila 3 p.m, while checkout time is at 12 noon. So for this whole house, rate starts at 4,000 for 2 guests na yun with access to all of the amenities mentioned. If you're bringing more people, it's only 500 pesos per additional guest. Whether you're planning a family staycation, anniversary, birthday celebration, bridal shower, or a simple weekend getaway with friends, this place is definitely worth checking out. Kaya ano pang hinihintay nyo? Save this for your next staycation. Bye!